with me today. As a mom of two, nawala ng time for this house most of the time. So, my baby sleeping. Amazing. Sunscreen. Kaya pa mag-get ready kahit may bulinggi. This is the reality of being a mom. Chopstick. Then, syempre tint. As a girl, hindi naman makeup talaga. Always tint. Nasasakay tayo ngayon kasi we're out and about because we have school today. It's Monday. But I don't think this will be posted real time, guys. And last, I'm using this one. Okay. This is my favorite. Ano ba to? Sunscreen primer stick. So, nag-sunscreen na kanina. Sunscreen ulit. O, diba? Hindi naman halatang favorite ko siya, guys. Look. I consumed it. Oh my gosh. Wala na. Ah! Oh my gosh, I dropped it. I drop it. Wala na kasi. See? Ubus na siya. Gamit na gamit. Ubus natin yan dahil bayad yan. Kasama yan sa binayaran. Favorite ko to kasi parang wala lang. Pero I have oily skin kasi so I need to put this. Gusto ko siya kasi powder matte finish. So, ano ba yung tawag dun? Di ba ang guard? Ayun na. Pakak, ready na magsundo sa ating kuya. Wait. Got it. Kaya pa to. 2 weeks. Magtitipid tayo. Wait, I'm gonna put it back. Besa lang ka. Yan. Tapos na. Ayun lang. Okay. See? Kaya natin mag-get ready. But I'm going to get. Bye.